football match held between Karbi film artists and elite film artists. A very good morning to all the viewers who's watching the news right now. You are with Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now let's look into the news in detail. With the aim of promoting sports and health among the common people of the area, a football match between Karbi film artists and elite film artists was held at Chokihola Higher Secondary School playground. The friendly football match between Karbi film artists and elite film artists was held to a draw with 2 goals each in a stipulated time as both teams displayed equal skills and patience. The match was finally decided through penalty, in which Karbi Anglong film artists managed to win the game by 5-4 goals. The football match was witnessed by social worker James Pangcho, Jiraningti, Nili BLCC Chairman Vincent Ronghang, George Rongpi, Dr. Tenzing Ingti, Rajiv Kro, Dilip Bey, Suresh Timung, Atulin Timungpi, singer Jyoti Terangpi, and about 500 people of the area. Earlier speaking at the opening ceremony, notable film actors Rajiv Kro and Dilip Bey said that they are visiting different parts of the districts to create awareness and promote sports among the people, especially the youths. The actors in their speech stated shootings of films have been kept on hold due to pandemic, and they have been able to tour different places with special focus on education and sports among the people.
Jasmet ke lahalo ke pathu bangke ajar hin ke pathu punoi la uwe ke mi tom bang non bangke pathu bek nang ko pathu ke the ke le dunde bangke aphelam bor I pute le dunde ji sita le dunde bang sita aw kapran ke mi senji la si pathu nang ji tu bang lahalo non na huke kapre muni datum lahai exercise hin ke kom heglo non langamoy bang khai bangadim bangke athletics tang ho football tang ho cricket tang ho lahai kado we pathu pik nasi dak itum bangke rong hawar ke non ke adim dolo ajat dolo itum dak kapre ke raba tum ta dolo boy fisita itum la kapathu bang chihung he
kenya ni bang lo la FIFA ni bang lo ni pusat pindah bang chulo bang lo jengak ani to ke hai kerem hal ke bang kade ning che parong phan ang owe kimi tum hal just awareness je nolo mosomar tum owe kimi tum mainly la pine ke hino hormona drugs to la pine packet ke cho hormona hai do la silahai araki pen ne chi o kang tum pulo tande o unji ponte la ke culture pen sport han cholo la to culture muni lo angera so sports la so addiction do pulo culture pen sport addiction do pulo tande ajak ake hino drugs tame ake araki bostu ni tume la pate bo munelo
lo khanta doji busiku on sitame sok mata mane jisik pani lo ngam de dang si dekhe de lo no man ke da doji busiku do da thek
orang jelong kan kasih sikon, kalau kini kan tadi kanan itu lah kan juga.
Kini kan bangke lalu sobta mane cingku, tu mesin tu hai, kalau we kini tu tak susi thek on bom te chokpo.
Kenapa non Karbi Anglong owe gimi tumhan lah kepatuhin pilo kui ke?
kepathuin mang pathu ke ini tam oge pran pan disen la pen oge gimi tumhan thur ponang ji ni tu ke sar lo ni ta 40 plus lo ni arta anta pini anta sunang mane la ni ob e pan pami pan ni wi pin ekdom pura strong nang dale hai se wi tum kimi tumhan anso si nang pachar liu nang mathe long na mane ni tu ke sar lo non aruta 10 bosor ihlam ni mati si non uwi kimi tumhan anso si nang palang nang pachar liu nang non malah kisah ini tu upor, agora krem tu lah, yoga pranung se misalnya tu tu kisah dah.
Tumanda kiruar piklo alang litung cepat duksi apor cipi pen itung dak nili bahawar wangsi alang litung pen ajok ason ke Japon potsi ni alang litung panda kiruar piklo bisike tuma korte Rajiv Kro panda kiruar piklo alang lige Karbi Anglong tame anong cetang pu babang lapen asam bong tame alang lige inut ke cetang pu babang se alang li ke Japan pinidak nili bahawar long ason football team alang li ciwansi ke patukon potsi ke patlang pot.
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the third Interchurch Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Potaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440. The Women Department of the Anglong Ikpi Baptist Church on Sunday visited family members of the two suspected murdered girls at Upper Degrum, Lukhiram Rongphar village. The visit was made with the aim of helping the families in overcoming their griefs on loss of their loved ones. The Women Department of Anglong Ikpi Baptist Church interacted with the family members of Dorsing Hanse and Soningti and shared word of encouragement from the Bible, reminding them the promises and blessings in heaven are greater than the earthly pain and sorrows. The two Women Department urged upon both the families to stay strong and assured to continue to remember them in their prayers. The Women Department was led by President Kakrung Rong PP, Vice President Rublining TP, General Secretary Rani Tok BP, Treasurer Kache BP and Clary Ronghang P among others. The Women Department provided rice, vegetables and cash money towards the two families. According to fathers of Sobita Hansepi and Anisha Intipi, the deceased victims, the visit of Anglong Ikpi Baptist Church Women Department on Sunday was the first visit from any religious groups and expressed their gratitude towards their encouragement and assistance. While speaking to local media, parents of the two suspected murdered girls urged upon the police department for immediate arrest of culprits involved in the death of the two children and to give them justice. Further, the parents also urged upon the authority to establish school in memory of Anisha and Sobita in the area. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. The Disobai branch of the Karbi Students Association had on Sunday conducted a felicitation program for the successful HSLC and HSSLC students. Here's a short report from our Volongkomaji correspondent. With an aim to encourage the young students towards education, the KSA Disobai branch led by its president conducted the program. It was attended by members of the KSA CEC including AJS Raju Inti, Diphu Regional Committee President Liton Singh Timung, AJS Kabon Derapi, DGC SUS President Jirsong Timung and others. Serious issues related to development of education in the rural areas were discussed in the event. During the event, KSA AGS Raju Inti said that it is a regular activity of all branches of the KSA to hold felicitation programs. He is hopeful that with such events, the young students will get much motivation and inspiration.
Litum pini ladak disobai KSA branch pen cepatir pipon jasa met pining deng gap la pen deng krei ni tu na tum han karcho mayelong litum pini lo Charlie bo mari soi jang pen tum pu Karbi lo Charlie song hin pen bidi sore chupa cho yalam te la puklo ya athema isi bunira kai chelar nangji pate non akai isi ka chapate akai binak las hala solong chapate nangji lipote non malam mitok lang bovek nangji lapen pir thes tamile tum non ke kachelar nangji por hul samile tum tok lang pen tum chelar don nangji usinil do pini jas met tak ke chingwai ta bidi sore chupa choi pon lo dobob nilitum pinyan dang tontelang kedam tang la nilitum la metric la pen la second year to man sadlang plang de lo pen ke nilitum la bang so karchu la puchat kali itum awareness education awareness la ke nilitum non pindak disobai branch la along puchat kali nilitum atum miheta do tum miheta don tum la Karbi Anglong tum pin an ke se aru duana long ke nilitum bang so awareness ke deng bom lo la pen klempon bom lo nilitum.
Welson Terang from Volongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.